Zoom Events has had a great year with updates and releases for event hosts, and November was no exception. A handful of really helpful features that we hope make your event hosting life quite a bit better. Let's take a look. First up this month, Simulive webinars. If you're not aware of what Simulive can do for you, let me give you just a little bit of a pitch here. Simulive allows you to replay previously recorded content as live content for new audiences. It allows you to really scale your event program in entirely new ways, reach new audiences, generate different engagement, all without the stress of another live event to execute. Who doesn't love that? So this month we've added the ability to schedule and automate polls and quizzes. This is a great way to really make these Simulive webinars come to life for your audience. Let's set it up. Super simple to do. First, we make sure that there's a poll attached to the session and then hit Schedule Poll. This drops us into a timeline view editor that allows us to see the recording that we've attached to the session and then sync up the poll experience however we want. So let's take a look. We can review the content and match up exactly when we want to launch the poll, end the poll, or even share the poll results with the audience. We can sync all of these moments up with our recording to make sure it feels really, really seamless for the audience. It's a really nice way to create set it and forget it experiences that feel live and feel dynamic to your audience. So many great use cases for Simulive webinars, new employee onboarding, trainings or classes, marketing webinars. All of these can be made more interesting and more engaging with automated polls. So go check it out. Go try it out today. Email management with Zoom Events has seen some significant improvements over the fall. One of the improvements is that we now support a custom email template, just a create email button. This allows hosts to send whatever event communication they need to quickly and easily. Let's take a quick look. This email can be fully customized with Email Builder, you're familiar with that, and sent to certain audience segments. Maybe you need to email all of your registrants or all of your special roles some specific information. These emails can be scheduled ahead of time and prepared in whatever way that you want. This is a great way to maybe promote new speakers or certain sessions of your event, or remind attendees of a certain activity you want them to do or a certain action you want them to take, or send additional instructions to any of your speakers or alt hosts. This is a great use case there. Back in September, we started rolling out some massive changes to reporting and analytics. Overall, we have completely redesigned analytics to provide you with clearer insights, easier navigation, and overall a better experience for our event hosts. Just to review, we went away from the long sidebar items and consolidated down to a single event analytics tab with much more visually appealing graphics and charts. But my favorite, maybe the most important, is that we've surfaced all of your data in interactable tables. All of your event data is right there in front of you, not hidden behind a CSV download any longer, though you can download reports however you want. So we started this project with single session events, and we are so proud to announce this month that we now support multi-session events and VOD channels as well. Let's take a look. On the first tab, we get a lovely summary of our entire event. We can see our big numbers, our attendance numbers, our registration numbers, all of the most important metrics there that we want to look at, along with a session leaderboard. I love this view. This view can be sorted to see which sessions most resonated with your audience. You can sort this by attendance or other engagement metrics, whatever you care about the most for your event. Over on the Attendees tab, you can directly understand how your audience interacted with your event. This view includes an attendee leaderboard. Who attended the most sessions? How did they engage? Along with a breakdown of session-by-session attendance with ticket types and all kinds of different ways for you to understand what was successful with your audiences. I particularly like this chart right here that shows you attendance over time by session. So it really helps you be able to pinpoint the exact moments that were most successful for your event. And finally, the engagement tab helps you understand how active your audience was, including session engagement over time, a session comparison chart, along with all of your survey, poll, and Q&A data, all here right in one place. We hope you agree that this is a much more visual and interesting experience for event hosts, but not just visually interesting. We hope it provides you the kind of insights that you need to be more and more successful with your event design in the future. So. All right. So single session events, multi-session events, and now on-demand video channels have also received newly revamped analytics. So let's take just a really quick look, but it's really easy now to see your top performing videos across your channel, and even then click into viewers to understand how your viewers are engaging. I even love this view here, which lets me see which videos are keeping my audience's attention the longest. This helps me design and create better content, more relevant content for my audience. Our goal here is to really help you understand what is working and what's not with your audience so you can make better decisions and grow your on-demand event programs more and more into the future. One last update for analytics that will make a lot of you very, very happy. Moving forward, we now exclude all special roles from analytics. That's right. So your hub hosts, your speakers, your alt hosts are now no longer included in any of the charts or cards or tables that you see. This makes reporting a lot clearer, a lot easier to understand. And this was feedback that we heard directly from you, our customers. We heard from so many people who were spending too much time combing through reports just to identify these roles and remove them to understand the success of their event. So we think this is a nice change. We hope that you agree. Speaking of feedback, before we leave today, we want your feedback on all of these analytics change. We've provided a direct to our product team feedback form here. These submissions are reviewed daily by this product team. We've already received hundreds and hundreds of submissions. Thank you so much if you've already provided that. But as you're exploring, as you're using these new analytics views, please leave your comments, leave your feedback for us, and we'll continue making this a better and stronger product. Our goal is to help analytics solve real world problems and deliver the insights that our event hosts really need to be successful. So please share your feedback. Thank you for your attention. As always, this is not a comprehensive list of all of our releases. If you do want to review that list, please head over to support.zoom.com and check out our release notes. We'll see you in December.